Good evening, everybody. Longtime subscriber and friend of the channel, Anastasis, has sent me some strange noises all the way from Athens, Greece. Now, I've never been to Greece or Europe. I had to look a few things up. They do have bears, wolves, wildcats, martens, wild boars, lynx, pretty similar species to North America. Not to mention jackal and wild goats and a few other things. What is specifically around the Athens area, I'm not sure, but here's some pictures of the countryside, and besides being absolutely gorgeous, there is a fair amount of woods and greenery and things for them to hide in. Also, you got to remember this is kind of the old world center of Europe, Asia, kind of the center of the world there, where a lot of strange creatures were reported in the past, and it's one of the most ancient civilizations out there. So here is the recording. Let me know what you guys think in the comment what they are. To me, it sounds like it could be some kind of like fox or coyote or wolf, but I really don't know. They're definitely a little on the creepy side. Let me know what you think in the comments. Thanks.